The first thing to recognize is that you've got a graph, so you know this is quadratic, and you've also been given a function type. So there's two basic quadratic function types. The first is standard form, where the last value c gives you the y-intercept. And then we've got the transformed vertex form, where we are h to the right and up k for our vertex. And that's the one we're given here. So we can use that one to recognize that a has got to be a negative number because the quadratic is opening down, and that the top of the graph, its highest point, is up k, and we are h to the right. That's where the diver would be at their maximum. So that means A would not be correct, because the initial height of the diver would be c from the standard form equation. The value of A is less than 0. Well, that's true, because our parabola opens down, so A is some kind of negative number. K represents the maximum height of the diver. That's true, because we have a vertex here, and so our max is equal to K, because that's how far the vertex is up. So that's true. H represents the horizontal distance from the diving board when the diver is at a maximum height. That's false, because H is really representing time, not distance. So this is time, and so H would be the time when diver is at max height. The question had asked for that, that would be true. H represents the time the diver is at the maximum height. That again is what we just said, that's true. So B, C, and E are all true.